Sometimes the best landscape doesn't require design. Sometimes it requires instinct. How do you explain a project like this? I mean, I think the first word is grateful for the ability, humble, knowing where you started and having a vision of where you'd like to go, and just realizing that we're all made in the image of our Creator, so we're all designed to create. This is just what we've been called to do here at Groen Homescape. And every person has that unique call, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or you're a construction guy or you're attorney downtown or you're flying jets or coaching your kid's softball team. We all have a unique call and we all have a unique ability to create something really beautiful in the space that we influence. And that's our passion, just making it better for families to enjoy their backyard space and an area where they can connect. In fact, it's been a lot of thought and I've had a lot of time to think about our new mission. Groen Landscape mission was to make a positive impact on people, where each team member was known, equipped, and challenged to continually improve professionally and personally, and the result was an unparalleled landscape client experience. Groen Landscape mission is to have clients for life with eternal impact. It's a lot of pressure being Tiger Woods.